Hi, we are Dark Crystal Games, we are making Encased RPG and this is Dev Update 0.
Encased is an old-school post-apocalyptic RPG featuring turn-based combat. It tells the story of a disastrous research project conducted within the confines of a massive alien artifact. Established by an unknown civilization in a trackless desert, this anomaly is called the Dome. In developing the game, we were heavily inspired by the famous isometric RPGs of the late 90s and early 2000s. Encased aims not only to replicate the achievements of this isometric golden age, but to improve and develop the genre even further.
So when we began making this game, as a brand new company, we thought, okay, we need to do something new. We can't just do what other bigger companies do, because we don't have resources they have, and we are not really famous for anything just yet. So we need to do something different and we need to engage community in another way. That's why we involve people in the development. We try to make everyday dev reports as compelling as the story and the world of the game itself. When the player opens our Facebook page or blog or anything, he is under the dome already. People help us choose the best armor type and participate in interactive storytelling. They often counter ideas and create monster fan arts. As such, it's not that new, but the amount of role-playing we put in the development process is tremendous. Take our office for example. It has a spiral staircase and we call it the Tower.
The story begins in the 1970s and revolves around the exploration of the Dome, a gigantic structure of unknown origin discovered in an unnamed desert. Management and exploration of this discovery is carried out by Cronus Foundation, a corporation founded by the world's most powerful governments. This organization reaps huge benefits selling the artifacts and technologies found inside the Dome. Cronus is divided into 5 wings, each with its own director, specialization, and history. When we first announced our game, we launched and recently updated an interactive form for future players. All entrants will be added to the Cronus employees database, and their names and data will appear inside the game in documents, terminals, letters, etc. Filling in the form is a creative process. Apart from answering questions, which our supercomputer Minerva will use to assemble your character's psychological profile, and distributing attribute points, our fans will have the opportunity to create an interesting and detailed biography. The last part is particularly important. Characters with the most intriguing biographies will become full-fledged NPCs. Using your custom bio as a reference, our writers will make your character part of the game world. Those who fill in the form will also receive a special in-game item, a First Settler's helmet, which cannot be obtained any other way. This free DLC will be available via Steam Key and on all published platforms shortly after the game is released. We've already received over 400 profiles which we are reviewing as they arrive. We look forward to seeing yours as well. Perhaps you'll be one of the lucky few to become a real NPC.
And that's all for now. That was the Encased RPG Dev Update from Dark Crystal Games.